I can't see the front of him. Does he have a little bit of a beard going on his breast with spiky feathers? It should. It is mating season for this bird also. And the ponytail's really long. So the male alligator's bellow also attracts the females. They feel the urge to reproduce.